Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Let's do an unboxing on this electronic door handle. So here we've got the manual. This is made by Sifely. It's a Smart S lock. So let's open it up, see exactly what we get in. All right, this is all put together, comes out as one unit. We got a box. Okay, so in this little box, we've got, it's like the door lock, keys, some key fobs that are electronic to open the door. You put on your keys, screws. So each bag is labeled for each step. That's kind of nice. I like that. Okay, so here's the handle that goes inside the house. You're going to open it up, 4 AA batteries, a reset button. Looks like you can do an unlock, lock right like there. This is what's going to go on the outside. There's a cable there. So it has, that's like a touch screen for the buttons and then a fingerprint reader. Pretty nice. You can do an external power port if you need. If it loses power, you can plug power in right there. Looks like a template if you need to drill the holes in the door. And then it looks like we've got a step-by-step instructions on how to install it. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.